children, welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous class we have discussed about number stories on 4 fundamental operations children. Children, in the first chapter we have learned about rounding of numbers. Now in rounding of numbers we have seen in the real life situation where can we use this rounding of numbers children. Now children, let us connect the rounding of numbers to the 4 fundamental operations children. In a village there are few men, few women and few children. Now when we want to know the total population of the village, we have to add the 3 numbers, that is number of men, number of women and number of children. Now while adding, here we can take exact number or else a round off number, that means a nearby number children. So here also we can use the rounding of concepts in the addition children. In the same way, the rounding of concepts can be used in the subtraction, multiplication and division children. So here we are not getting the exact number by adding or subtracting, multiplying or dividing. So here we are getting a rough number children, a nearby number. So we are assuming a number. So we are estimating a number by using the fundamental operations children. Here we are not getting exact results. We are estimating a nearby number. So today let us discuss about estimating sums, differences, products and quotients children. Let us solve the practice 10 sums. So children, practice time 2.3, estimate the following by rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds of the first question children. Here 12,65,342 plus 21,75,366 children. So what we have to do here? We have to do addition here. And addition by rounding of the numbers to the nearest hundreds children. First, whatever the problem in estimating sums, differences, products and quotients, first we have to round off the given numbers, then only we have to do the operation children. Let us round off the given numbers children first children. See children, here 12,65,342 rounded off to the nearest hundreds. So when we are rounding off to the nearest 100, we have to look up for the tens place children. Tens place, whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5, it is less than 5. When it is less than 5, the digit in the hundreds place will be same and the right side digit will be zeros children. So solution I am writing here, and left digits whatever we are writing same. Now it is less than 5, so we are writing as it is 3 and place zeros. Now plus this number children, hundreds, as we are dealing with hundreds, the tens digit is greater than 5. When tens digit is greater than 5, increase the digit in the hundreds place by 1. So the left digits we have to write as it is children. And 3 we have to increase by 1. So 4 and right you have to keep zeros. Now we have to do addition here children. So children, if we add 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0 again 0. Now 3 plus 4, 7. So once period completed, let us insert comma. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 children. So 10 means what here? 10 thousands. 10 thousands equal to 1 10,000. So 1 10,000 here regrouping and 0 thousands here. Now 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 10,000s. 14 10,000 can be written as 10 plus 4. Okay. So 14 10,000 children. 14 10,000s, 4 here. So 10 10,000s I am regrouping to the lakh place. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Last 2 plus 1, 3. So our estimated sum is 34,40,700. Let us go for the next problem. So one more question children. 94,31,226 minus 1,25,433 nearest thousands. So first we have to round off the numbers to the nearest thousand. Then we have to do subtraction. Let us start doing solution children. So first this million, let us round off the number to the thousands place. When we are rounding up to the thousands, so we have to look up for the right side digit, that is hundreds place, children. In that hundreds place, if it is 5 or more, then we have to increase the thousands place by 1. If it is less than 5, then as it is in the thousands place, and right side digits zeros, children. Now see here, children, it is 2, that means less than 5. So here we no need to increase any number, and all the left side places you have to as it is copy, and these 3 digits 0. Now minus. Now let us round off the nearest thousands. So we are rounding off the thousands. The right side digit hundreds place, again less than 5. So as it is. So 1,25,000, and all the right side places 0, children. So subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, again 0. 1 minus 5 isn't possible, so regroup from the 10,000s place. Here will be 2 10,000s, and 1 10,000 equal to 10 thousands. 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000. 11 minus 5, 6. Now 2 minus 2, 0. Insert a comma. 4 minus 1, 3. And there is no 10 lakh place. Directly you write 9. So the difference is 93,06,000, children. So when we round off to the nearest thousands, the difference, estimated difference is 93,06,000, children. Let us go for another problem. Now one more problem, children. 21,679 into 135. Round off to the nearest hundreds. First, when this number multiplicand 21,679 rounded off to the nearest hundred, what number we will get? Let us see, children. So we have to round off to the nearest 100. So when we are rounding off to the nearest 100, we have to look up for the tens place, children. Tens place is 7. That means greater than 5. So here we have to increase by 1 digit. That is 6 plus 1, 7. Now left side places let us write as it is, children. 21, comma, plus 1 is 7, and left 2 places zeros, children. So when 21,679 round off to the nearest 100, you will get 21,700. Now 135. When you are rounding off to the nearest 100, you have to look for the tens place. In tens place less than 5. So it will be 1 here and 2 zeros. So now we have to do the solution, children. 21,700 into 100. So what answer you will get, children? Directly you have to multiply 21,700 into 1 and place 2 zeros. 21,700 into 1 is 21,700, and place zeros, children. So zeros. Now according to the Indian place value, you have to insert the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now the answer we got is 21,70,000, children. So the estimated product of 21,679 and 135 is 21,70,000. So children, in this way we can estimate the sums, difference, products and quotients by using the concept of rounding off numbers, children. So children, these concepts are connected to the real life only, children. Now let us meet with a new concept in the next class, children. Have a great day.